A police statement is a written document stating your version of events regarding a crime, which is signed and dated by you. In some cases, if the police believe you to be vulnerable or intimidated, you can make a video recorded statement instead. If you give a written statement, the police will normally ask to come to your home or ask you to visit the police station, but will always try to meet your needs. To make a video statement, you will usually be asked to go to a specially equipped video suite, which is situated in certain police stations. In some cases, the police may bring recording equipment to your home or another venue that you have agreed. Before making any statement, the officer will ask you a number of questions in order to know exactly what happened. You should always ask for a copy of your statement from the police after you have made one. Under no circumstances can you be forced to make a statement to police. You have the right to be silent. Generally, it doesn't hurt to give a statement as a victim or witness, but you can still be charged with making a false statement to police if you make an untruthful statement. It is therefore important, if you are a victim or witness, that you tell the truth. Your statement may help police to investigate the crime. When making a statement, you should tell the police as much information as you can. This includes descriptions or names of anyone involved or any further witnesses to the crime, the registration number of any vehicles that were at the place when the crime happened. Even if they were not involved, the driver may have seen something. Descriptions, identifying marks or serial numbers of any stolen or damaged property. To learn more about the police investigation, watch our next video.